So hi, Steven. Looks like you guys had a fun. Well, you didn't actually go to IKEA, but a wonderful IKEA loot drop. It's a shame that your shoe rack didn't fit there. I'm really sorry, but I hope you did figure out some sort of solution. We also recently got some furniture. We bought this weird cabinet thing at a garage sale, um, and it's in our kitchen waiting to be refurbished. But yeah. So, let's see. Last weekend, my parents were here. We had a wonderful time with them. They stayed for Friday night and Saturday night and left Sunday afternoon. And we ran around and worked on Sarah's um, waterfall fountain thing card in the backyard. It's really looking good. She's excited about that. And we went to yard sales and we went out to the amazing Eli Fish restaurant. Amazing. And we really had a good time with them. And then Monday was guys' night, and Tuesday was something, and Wednesday was something, and Thursday was something, and it's just been a really busy week of fairly normal stuff, but definitely very busy. Um, Today we went and looked at a house in Batavia. It's not a good deal. We're not going to put in an offer. But hey, it's fun to look at houses. We really enjoy it. And we're going to look at more next week. We have some video of Ezra doing an obstacle course. We have some video of Ethiopian food that we cooked. It's really yummy. And some other stuff. So, other than that, pretty much just life as usual. Ezra's in the other room yelling. Not really sure what to do about that. So, yeah. Anyway, so yeah. I hope you guys are doing well. Tonight we're having Kyle and Carla over for dinner, and I need to start cooking for that pretty soon. They're gonna be here soon, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm not gonna ramble on, but yeah. Oh, I got a drill press. That's cool. Excited about using that. My dad brought it up. He upgraded his, and I got his old one, so it's pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Okay. So I hope you guys are doing well. I know you're going camping this weekend. I hope you have a great time. I'm glad I'm not there because I don't like to camp. But I hope you guys have a good time. So enjoy your weekend. I will see you on Tuesday. So what are we doing, Monty Don?
Monty Dawn. I'm starting my fountain and garden thingy. We'll see how it turns out.
Cool. So we're out with my parents at the Eli and Fish Brewing Company, and this is mashed potato waffles and poutine, and it's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie. And Sarah's having some sort of chicken thing,
Beer brine chicken.
brine chicken, and
What is this? This
pretzel
is a
burger and
pork
mac
chop.
and
You gotta
cheese,
taste this. It is so
and pork chop.
good.
Very cool.
I lost my fork.
Robot monkey. What? And my head is made of blueberry pizza? Wait a second. Is this whole book a trick? Can I stop reading, please?
No.
No. And now it's time for me to sing you my favorite song. A song do I really have to sing of? Glug, 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 my face is a bug. I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. What? This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading yet?
No.
No.
So done. Goodbye, money. Goodbye.
Where did you play it?
At the Microsoft store in the Mall of America.
What's that thing?
It's a black hole. It sucks in the bad guys.
Oh, right.
So they'll still shoot at you. So it's easy to aim. You just pour your fire in there and keep shooting them.
So I've been working on my water fountain. And this is close to a finished project. We're getting there. And I've already unplugged it so the water's not running, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. Coming along.
So I am making Ethiopian shirawat. It uses chickpea flour and garlic and water and berber spice and butter and other things. I think it's gonna wind up a lot like hummus. We'll see. So this is Sarah's contribution to the meal. It's doro wat. It's like a chicken and hard-boiled egg stew. Kind of spicy. And then this is the shirawat, and this is actually Indian dosa, but it's really similar to Ethiopian injera. That's what we had. So, yeah, good stuff.
I go into the wagon.
This is Ezra's obstacle course that he made.
This is my obstacle course too. And then I get onto the slide. And I do a perfect flippers. Yeah. Daddy. Daddy.
What next?
Daddy, there's another.
No. Finish it out.
Are you gonna go through the car?
Finish it.
Well, that was just my loop-de-loop slide machine car.
I want you to do the whole thing. Come on.
And I'll do my flip-loop R slide slut cup. This is Kate. This is Kate. This is Kate on Laundry 8.
This is cake.
Yeah. My name's Kate the Magician. I got my magician's hat on.
Yay! Great job.
Finish it out.
Ta-da!
Awesome.
What is
Last but not least, we have the curiosity of the week, which is this really cool Tetris lamp that I got on clearance at GameStop. You pick up the pieces, and the lights go out, and you can arrange them in any sort of Tetris-y way that your heart desires, and they just light up because the frame around the piece is conductive. Cool, huh? Super geeky. I love it.